Well, we're getting ready for the cold weather coming our way. Getting ready to rain out here. Got everything covered up as best as I can. Okay. Pray we all are safe with this Arctic freeze that they're predicting coming our way. Everybody stay warm, stay safe. Stay off them icy roads. Okay. Pray everyone is safe. We already received some hard rain early this morning. Wind is still blowing hard now. But we're getting ready for whatever's coming our way. Everything's covered up. Prepare our house to stay warm. Got enough food. Pray everybody stay safe. Ooh, listen to that. The rain is bringing colder temperatures out here. It's getting colder out here. Wind blowing harder.